let us find the volume and total surface area of this trapezoidal prism. Here, this is the trapezium face, that is, this is the base. This is a trapezium where this arm and this arm is parallel and these two arms are non-parallel. So to find the total surface area and volume, we need the base area and base perimeter. So here this arm is given 12, because we know that for trapezium the base area formula is half a plus b times u. That means length of the two parallel arms, this and this, and perpendicular distance between the parallel arm, this. So here we can see this is the perpendicular distance u. One parallel arm is 12. We need another parallel arm. Then we can use this formula to find the area of this trapezium face. So here this arm and these arms are parallel and equal. So this arm will be 16. And this arm and this arm are also shown equal. So this arm is also 16 centimeter. So here, if we use this formula, then the base area, that is the area of this trapezium base, the base area will be, base area A is half sum of the parallel arms, which is 16 and 12, 16 plus 12, times the perpendicular distance between the parallel arm, which is 8. So if we calculate the base area, we will get 112. Since the dimensions are in centimeter, we will get in centimeter square. Now we need base perimeter. So now the base perimeter. Now the finding this base perimeter, we got this one 8, this is 16, this is 12. We need this arm, and this 10 and this arm are equal. So if we, this is 10 centimeter. So the base perimeter will be base perimeter. If we name it P, it will be 8 plus 16 plus 10 plus 12. So 8 plus 16 plus 10 plus 12, it will be 46 centimeter. So now we have base perimeter and base area and base perimeter. We can find the total surface area. Now we need the height also, height of the prism. So this is the base. There is another similar face at the hidden at the back. So distance between these two trapezium face is the height of the trapezoidal prism, which is 16 centimeter. So here the height of this prism is this 16 centimeter. So this is the height of the prism. So now if we calculate, then the total surface area will be 2 times base area 112 plus base perimeter, which is 46, times height of the prism, which is 16. If we calculate it, we will get 960 centimeter square. And the volume of the prism will be base area times height. Base area is 112 and height is 16. If we calculate it, we will get 1792. The unit will be centimeter cube. Here we will calculate the volume and total surface area of this trapezoidal prism. So this is the trapezium face, and another trapezium face is hidden in the back, and distance between these two trapezium face, that is, this is the height. This is equals this. So this 10 centimeter is the height of the prism. Now to calculate the total surface area and volume, we need the base area and base perimeter. Height we already know, so we need base area and base perimeter. So now this base area, this is a trapezium. We need to find this trapezium's area, which will be the base area, and its perimeter will be the base perimeter. So let us see. Now we know that for a trapezium, the area formula is half A plus B times H, where A and B are the lengths of two parallel arms, that is this arm and this arm, and H is the perpendicular distance between these two. So let us use this one as U, because height here we will be using H for prism, so U. So this distance is U. So here U is given directly 8 cm. So one parameter is given 8 cm. One parallel arm is given, that is A or B, one of them is given 15 cm. Now we need to find this arm as well. Now how we can find this arm? This arm is given. This arm is given 10 cm. So now we need to find this arm. So let us see how we can find this small arm so that we can calculate this area. So let us draw this trapezium first. This is the case, and if we draw a dotted perpendicular line here and here, then this is 8, this is also 8, this distance is 10 cm, this distance is 4 root 5 cm, and this total distance is 15 cm. We need to find this. Say if we consider this as B, then we need to find this B. Now here this B is this part. If we can find this and this part, this length and this length, this length is X and this length is Y. Here these two lengths is not equal. Why? This is 8, this is 8, same. This one arm, this is a right angle triangle, this is a right angle triangle. This one arm is same. If these two arms are same, then this value and this value would have been same, but they are different. That means since this arm is same, this arm and this arm must be different. That is why this hypotenuse, these two hypotenuse have different value. So let us assume this value is X and this value is Y. Now if we can find this X and Y value, then if we subtract that X and Y value from 15, we will get this much, that means B. So in this triangle, this is hypotenuse. So if we use Pythagoras theorem, 4 root 5 square equals this 8 square and X square. So X square plus 8 square. Therefore here 4 means 16, 4 square is 16, and root 5 and square will cancel. So it will be 16 times 5, that is 80, equals X square plus 64. So from here we will get X square equals 16. Therefore X equals 4 cm. So we will be getting X equals 4 cm. And from this right angle triangle, this is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse, that is 10 square, equals this Y square and 8 square. So Y square plus 8 square. 10 square means 100. This is 64. So we will get Y square equals 36. Therefore Y will be 6 cm. So this is 4 cm. This is 6 cm. So this is 4 cm. This is 6 cm. Altogether 10 cm. So this will be 5 cm. So this B is 5 cm. So now we can find use this formula, half A plus B times U, to find the base area. So here the base area is half length of these two parallel arms. One is 5 and one, the total distance is 15. So 5 plus 15 times this perpendicular distance is 8. So if we calculate, we will get 80 centimeter square. So the base area we found is 80 centimeter square. Now we also need this base perimeter. Base perimeter will be, this is 5, this is 10, this is 15, and this is 4 root 5. So it will be 5 plus 10 plus 15, 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus this 4 root 5. So it will be, this is 30 plus 4 root 5 centimeter. Now we have our base area and base perimeter. Using these two formula, we can find the total surface area and volume. Let us do that. So the total surface area is 2 times base area. Its formula is 2 times base area plus base perimeter times height. And here height we found 10 centimeter. Height of this prism is 10 centimeter. So 2 times base area, which is 80, plus base perimeter, which is this 30 plus 4 root 5 times height, which is 10. So if we calculate it, this is 160 and this is 300, so it will be 460 plus 4 times 10 is 40 root 5 centimeter. So this is, and if we use calculator to calculate this root 5 and multiply and add them together, in total we will get 549.44 centimeter square. This is an area, so its unit will be centimeter square. The volume is base area. The volume formula is base area times height. So here the base area is 80. So 80, and height of this prism we found, height of this prism is 10 centimeter. So it will be 800 centimeter cube.